Welcome back to Moto Explorer. Today, we're checking out the Suzuki GSX-S750Z, a naked sport bike that perfectly blends performance, style, and everyday usability. Let's take a closer look at why this bike is a great choice for riders who want a thrilling ride without going over the top. At the heart of the GSX-S750Z is a 749cc inline-4 engine, which delivers a perfect balance of power and torque. With smooth acceleration and great mid-range punch, this engine makes the GSX-S750Z ideal for both city riding and spirited weekend rides. The bike's lightweight chassis and aggressive geometry give it excellent maneuverability, while the fully adjustable suspension and reliable braking system ensure you have solid control, whether you're tackling twisty roads or cruising at highway speeds. Modern technology is also a key feature of the GSX-S750Z. It comes with Suzuki's advanced traction control system, which allows you to select from different levels of intervention, giving you greater confidence in different riding conditions. Plus, the ABS ensures optimal braking performance, no matter the weather. Visually, the GSX-S750Z stands out with its muscular stance and sharp lines. The aggressive front-end design, compact tail, and bold graphics make it an eye-catching bike that's just as stylish as it is powerful. The Suzuki GSX-S750Z is the perfect blend of performance, technology, and design for riders who want a bike that can handle both the streets and the occasional track day. Thanks for joining us on Moto Explorer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what do you think of the GSX-S750Z, and what bike should we feature next? Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.